Hey guys, today I'm going to talk to you about teaching strategies for your ESL and ESOL students that are in your classroom. If you do not know what ESL stands for, it stands for English as a Second Language. It is the use or study of the English language by speakers of a different native language. The United States is a melting pot of different languages and cultures. It's important for educators of K-12 students to have strategies for teaching these learners. The first types of strategies that I'm going to talk about are strategies to incorporate in your classroom. These strategies you'll be able to use right away. The first strategy is find out what your students know. Use one-on-one conversations, small groups, visual aids, and vocabulary lists to figure out where they stand academically in your classroom. Model directions, a visual of what you want your students to do. Check for understanding. Monitor their understanding of new knowledge, and become familiar with different languages and cultures that are in your classroom. Next, I'm going to talk about some tools for teaching listening skills. First tool is to provide visuals. CreativeCommons.org has a big database of pictures that you can use to provide visuals around your classroom. Create opportunities for students to talk to one another. Something that I use in my classroom is called think, pair, and share. So we think on a problem, we partner up with a partner, and then we share it out loud. Have students summarize or restate directions, and build a diverse library. One program that I use in my classroom is called Starfall Education. Starfall is a great resource for early learners. The program emphasizes exploration, play, and positive reinforcement. Starfall is a research-based program that is aligned with the state Common Core standards. It's a great tool that is student-paced and aligns with all different subjects that you might teach in your classroom. Another tool that I use in my classroom is called StoryPlace. StoryPlace is an online digital library that is available in both Spanish and English. Students select a theme that they are interested in, and then they select books. Each book has online games and activities that the students can do after they read that story. It's a great way to integrate both Spanish and English into your classroom. Next, I'm going to talk about tools for teaching writing skills. Label pictures. So around your classroom, make sure that you're labeling with pictures and labeling pictures that might be found in specific stories. Using graphic organizers, sentence stems, think alouds, and utilizing fill-in-the-blank worksheets and organizers. One writing tool that I use in my classroom is called Fun Writing Games Program. It is a great way to expose students to different types of print. For example, newspapers, advertising, and different types of letters. It's a great way to have students get familiar with different types of writing that they might see throughout their academic career. I hope you have learned a few strategies that you can use in your classroom.